Hey, this is Mike, and I'm just doing a follow-up here on my older video about Unity 6.1 breaking the mouse hover events. And the solution in this video was to just switch the input system back to both. But that is not an option anymore because they are going to deprecate the old input system in the next few versions of Unity, I think. So to fix this, definitively fix this, and it works with both 3D objects and UI elements. There's a way to fix it that's a better solution. So let's take a look at that in Unity. So here in Unity, I have a cube and just a UI image. And what we're going to do is we have one script attached to both of them. So the UI Hover Manager script that I created, I have it attached to the cube and to the UI element. So you can attach this to anything that you want to track if there's a mouse pointer exiting or entering. And for 3D objects, you just need to set or add a physics raycaster component to the camera, the main camera. You can also use an event mask to set which layers it will work with. So if you only want a certain layer to track the mouse entering and exit, you can set those here, and you can do multiple, everything, nothing, etc. So this UI Hover Manager is not just for UI, but it'll work for both. So UI Hover Manager, we'll take a look at it. It just has, so basically what you have to do is add the using Unity Engine.event systems, and this requires you to have an event system in the scene that's set to the new input system. And we've got also to implement I pointer enter handler and I pointer exit handler. So to implement those, and then those require public methods here, on pointer enter and on pointer exit. That's what these implement. And it gives you the pointer event data as well. So you can also use event data, which gives you a bunch of other data with it, so which could be useful as well. So this sample script it's just setting a variable and just doing a debug log, the mouse entered and the mouse exited. I'm not doing anything with this Boolean. It's for future implementation, and this function isn't being called by anything either. But then you could have a function that says is mouse over element, and it'll return this Boolean as well. So let's just take a look at that running in Unity. So we have that same script. Look at the console, and we mouse over this. It's entered, exit, entered, exit. Okay, and the UI element entered, exited, entered, exited. So it's working. So that is a solution. There's one other solution for UI elements, which I have this script called input hover manager, which you can actually just in your update of sort of an input manager script. You could have an input manager script. Just an update. In the update, you can call the event system.current.is pointer over game object, and you can do accordingly if it is. But this will run every frame. So the other method is probably better or more recommended because it doesn't run every frame. It's event based. So I would prefer using this one rather than this solution. So anyway, just a quick update to update you on this issue, and I think this is a better solution than the older way because it is being deprecated now, or will be deprecated, I think. So that's it for today. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and we will see you in the next one.